look at the trouble with tear, or is it the trouble with tear? I don't know. It's both. Come on. T-E-A-R is a homograph. You know a homograph. Words that's spelled exactly the same, has totally different pronunciations, sometimes and sometimes not, and totally different meanings. English, how could you? T-E-A-R. Long E, tear. You know, the water that comes from your eyes. The tears. Got it. Then, T-E-A-R. Now it's a long A. It's a verb. It's a noun. For example, I'm going to tear this paper. T-E-A-R, long A, tear. This right here is now it's a noun. It's a tear. What? Yeah. T-E-A-R, long E, as a noun, tears that come from your eyes. T-E-A-R, long A, tear means a rip. Got it? Why does English have one word that has two different meanings and two different pronunciations? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. The tear in the painting brought a tear to my eyes. What? Come on, English. Can you use tear and tear? Peace, friends.